Hello everyone, and welcome back to students.com. Today, we're going to share some amazing school hacks that will make your life so much easier. Whether you're a student in middle school, high school, or college, these hacks are perfect for you. So, without further ado, let's get started. 1. The first tip is to copy and paste your written material into Google Translate and listen to it to catch any errors. This technique can be helpful for identifying grammatical or spelling mistakes that may have been overlooked during the writing process. By hearing the text read aloud, it's easier to pick up on errors that may not be immediately noticeable when reading silently. 2. Photomath is an app that can be downloaded to help with solving math problems. The app allows users to take a picture of a math problem and then provide step-by-step instructions for solving the problem. This tool can be helpful for students who are struggling with math concepts or who want to double-check their work. 3. According to research, writing in blue ink can improve memory retention compared to writing in black ink. This means that if you want to remember something, it may be helpful to write it down in blue ink. While the reason for this is not fully understood, it's believed that the color blue may stimulate certain parts of the brain. 4. Peppermint has been found to have a stimulating effect on the brain, which can help with concentration and focus. This can be particularly useful for people who are studying or working on a project that requires sustained attention. Peppermint can be consumed in various forms, such as tea or candy. 5. Pretending that you will have to teach the material you are studying can be an effective way to increase focus and attention. When you approach studying as if you will have to explain the material to someone else, you may be more motivated to pay closer attention and understand the concepts more thoroughly. 6. Word Hippo is a website that can be used to find words that are similar in meaning to the ones you're looking for. This can be helpful if you're struggling to think of a specific word or if you want to vary your vocabulary in your writing or speech. 7. Using white text with a black outline can make text readable on any color background. This is because the black outline provides enough contrast to make the white text stand out, regardless of the color of the background. This technique can be useful for creating graphics or designing documents. 8. Studying for short periods of time with breaks in between has been found to be more effective than studying for long periods of time without breaks. The recommended time frame is 30 to 50 minutes of studying followed by a 10-minute break. This allows for optimal retention and avoids burnout. 9. Eating chocolate while studying can help the brain retain information more easily. Chocolate contains flavonoids, which have been shown to have a positive effect on cognitive function. However, it's important to consume chocolate in moderation as it can also be high in sugar and calories. 10. Writing something out by hand has been found to be equivalent to reading it 7 times in terms of memory retention. This means that if you want to remember something, writing it out by hand can be a helpful technique. This may be particularly useful for students who are studying for exams or trying to learn new information. And that's it for our school hacks. We hope you found these tips helpful and that they make your school life easier. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more great content. See you in the next one.